Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Dawn floor plan. This is part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Dawn here is going to give you 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, as well as a flex space. Let's run inside and take a look at this great layout. So as we come inside the Dawn here, to the left of the entryway, this is where you're going to have 2 of your bedrooms. So you've got your first bedroom right up here, and you've got your bifold closet doors there. Sandwiched between these 2 bedrooms, you have the first guest bath here, and then we've got guest bedroom number 2 with the same style of closet with the bifold doors. Now coming back towards your entryway here, we'll come down the hallway, and to the right here, this is your entry to your 2-car garage right there. And on our left, we're gonna find that flex space that I mentioned right here. So great opportunity to use this as an additional seating area, an office, playroom, or maybe even turn it into another bedroom if you need that. Right across from the flex space here, we've got a couple of things. We've got the 3rd guest bedroom as well as the laundry. So we'll take a look at the guest bedroom here, which is set up like an office. And the nice part about this bedroom is it's attached to one of the bathrooms. So this one here gives you the ensuite bath right here next to the bedroom. And then we have your laundry space right off of that as well. Now, passing all of this, we're going to open up into this huge, great room being overlooked by your kitchen here. So nice open kitchen design here. You've got your corner pantry, your dedicated dining space, and then your seating area as well. Last but not least, on the interior of this home is the owner's retreat. So really nice size bedroom here. That's a king size bed there for perspective. And then we've got the owner's bathroom here. So you've got the singular sink right here. You've got the standalone shower. Right around that is the commode right here. And then you've got this huge walk-in closet here as well. All right, folks, so this is the Dawn floor plan. If you're interested in this floor plan, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.